going on, guys? So there's something behind me. I don't know if you guys can tell what it is. Some parts. You see some parts? Yeah. Alright, let me tell you guys. So I finally got a hold on a UC1 right-hand drive clip. Yes, you guys gonna ask me why I ended up getting this clip. First of all, obviously, as you guys know, I have a TSX front clip. It's already installed. I can't go back. It's already done. Now, I was gonna get some issues with the wiring, the door harness, all that stuff. I already had a solution for this. You know, doing custom wire harnesses, swapping everything over from the right side to the left side, and I already had everything planned. That was the plan. That's what I was gonna do. But I came across this deal, this UC1 clip. It's the only one in the States, and it was a good deal. It brings everything. It brings the door panels, dash, all that stuff. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use everything that I need from this clip back here, make Becky work, and then I'll sell the rest of the stuff. All right, so here we have two doors from the UC1. These are obviously in better condition than mine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swap these doors onto Becky. So that's what I'm doing today. I got the switches, the key, the handles. It has everything. So I'm happy I got this. So now doors will be complete. Obviously it's going to be painted, but this doors is in a lot better condition than mine. So that's what I'm gonna do. Actually, yo, Jay, I need your help. Can you hold the door? The door looks kind of weird, but it's JDM. It's a JDM door right here. Nice, looks very clean. Look at that. This is actually very similar to the US TSX. It's clean. Alright, so here we have the clip that I just bought. Clip is right here. This is the original UC1. I should have done this in the beginning, but unfortunately I couldn't get this clip that time when I was doing the whole search. I was able to find it last minute. Once again, this was a great deal. I had to buy this. So it's coming out a little bit expensive, but I'm still winning. If that's the word that I'm looking for. I don't want to call it winning, but it's still a bargain, you know what I'm saying? All the parts, all the leftover parts that I need, it's here. It would have been great if I would have found this first, but like I said, I found the TSX clip. I went ahead and did it. It worked out, but I still had a lot of parts missing to make it work. So this is gonna be the missing stuff. All the missing stuff that I need is in here. So yeah, I'll show you guys. Straight from Japan. Got the electric rack. ABS, the original plaque, you see UC1. Then this is the dash. I don't know if you guys can see, it's kind of blurry. Ugh. Yeah, so as you can tell, this dash looks identical to the US TSX. So this is the dash I'll be using. I have to start taking this apart so that I could take it part by part. I'm gonna have to take off the carpet. This carpet is in very good condition. I already took out that side. Now I have to take off this side. Alright, so look how she's looking. Coming along. Wow, car's already taking shape just with doors, with the door panels. So the next step is taking off this dash and swapping it over. Good morning, guys. So this is the next day. So this is what I have done to Becky so far. I've replaced all 4 doors. So as you could tell, it's complete. So I don't have to deal with that. All I gotta do is paint the door. I don't have to deal with no wiring. I don't have to deal with none of that stuff. So the doors are on. I swapped over the AC, the blower, all that stuff. Started installing everything in place, all that for the AC stuff. The harness, I installed it. Got the fuse box over there. Everything is ran. Alright, so I'm halfway there. This is all the loom. Look at that. So I was looking so far. I still got all those things to do. This has a ground. All right, so I brought over the harness. All these wires is going to be run inside the car. So I'm just trying to see if everything reaches. They're going to be where they're supposed to be. Alright, so it's time. Here we have the UC1 dashboard. We're about to load it up inside Becky. Alright, it's getting late, so about to call it a day, but the dash is in. So I just have to do some adjustments, secure the dash, plug in all the wire harnesses, and that's about it. After this, I have to add some power so I could put up my windows. And yeah, that's all she wrote. Getting there, guys. Whew. Man, what a journey. It's been a very long journey. Finally, it's coming together. A lot of work. A lot of work.